Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jumpscare. Friends, I'm going to share with you another exciting project that can provide you a lot of profit. It is a great AI earning project that can give you huge amount of profit on the daily basis. Friends, I will tell you about the project. All the details of earnings will be provided to you about this network here. And I will tell you how can you earn profit on the daily basis in this site. So here I will be given to you all the details of earning. Now I will show you more instructions of earnings. How can you earn profit? So for earning huge amount of money, you need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can earn huge amount of profit by joining the networks that I will share with you. So now we go toward our project. Here you can check, it is a great AI investments website. You can invest any of the project and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. You can check here, the all details of their markets are present in front of you, and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis by this network. So now I will show you how can you recharge and how can you log in your account and how can you register your account on this website. Here you can check. I will show you the all details of earning, how it will work and how it will provide you huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So friends, here you can check the registration bonus and registration portion is present here. You need to enter your email, enter your password, add your password again, add the security password that will be added for your withdraw and deposit portion, and you need to watch here, the security password will be confirmed here, and you need to add the invitation code that I will provide you in my description. That is very important thing for our team earning. You can share you can also share your link with your friends so that you can earn huge amount of profit. So you need to click on register now. After that, your account will be created. I have already made my account. I'm going to enter my login information. You can check here, your all beneficiary information has been provided to you here about this site, and you can check here your all earning tips are present in front of you. So friends, here you can check your debates of earnings are present here. If your friend deposit of 1000 US, you will get 50 USDT into your account. So it was a great earning process that can give you a huge amount of profit on the deposit of your friends and family. You can make it close and you can check here all their rebates of earnings are present here. You can check here their all team rebates and team earnings process are present here. You can check here the team debates are given to you. How can you create your own team? You can check here the team information has been given in front of you, and you can check here agent cooperation instructions are present here. How can you become an agent so that you can earn huge amount of profit? You can check here your all team links are present in front of you. How can you create your team? How can you make your money? You can check here their all detailed productivity information has been given in front of you. You can deposit your friend that you have invited five friends can provide you 10 years deposit, and you can earn huge amount of profit on that daily basis on this site. So here you can check your team rebates are present here. Invitation portion is present is here is given to you the link that is very important thing for your earnings. You can earn huge amount of profit. You can check here the invitation portions are present here. USDT investments are given in front of you. You can check here your all productivity information is given in front of you. Here you can check the link is present here. You need to copy this link and you can paste it at your social media platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter, any other social platform that you are using into your daily life, and you can earn huge amount of profit on that daily basis. So all their rebates of earnings will be given in front of you about your networks, and your family friends will be given in here. So I will show you how can you earn profit. You can check here the quantitative portion is present here. That is an important investment site about your network. So here you can check your investments plans are present here. AI version of earnings are given to you. How can you make your money? How can you earn huge amount of profit? I am going to show you their all AI version. How can you create your own productivity? Here you can check your all investments plans are present. You can check here the 2000 US has been given in front of you. 5,500 US will be given in front of you, and 10 US will be given to you on the VIP one. All the VIPs are providing huge amount of profit according to your productivity. Now I will show you the recharge portion. How can you recharge your account? That is very important thing for your earning. You need to click on the recharge button. Here you can select the address. So here is given to a smart investment. Here is given the quantitative investment. Two investment portions are present here. You can select any of the address and you need to copy this address and you can paste it into your wallet, and you can select the USDT TRC20. You can watch here the USDT will be selected into your wallet. You need to select the send button, paste your address here, how much amount you need to enter, according to your investments. So here you can check. I'm going to show you the investments amount. So you can enter the amount here and you need to click on the send button. After that, your transaction will be confirmed. Amount will be added into your account in few seconds. You can check here your all investments and beneficial portion is present here, and you need to click on recharge completed button. That is very important thing for your recharge. If you don't click on the recharge completed, your amount will not be added into your account. So it is a basic verification point for your recharge portion. So now I will go toward the back investment project. Here you can check your investments process is given to you. Here you can watch it. 1.5 US will percent of your earnings will be given to you in 7 days product, and after the 7 days you will get your all bonus into your account, and you can easily withdraw all your balance into your account. So here was given to you your all investments plans on your investments. Here you can select any of them and you can easily earn huge amount of profit. So our basic concept is quantitative. You can check here my VIP has been opened successfully, and you need to click on this button. So here you can check start below to start the quantification. So you need to watch here. I have started my quantification. Quantify is going to be under process and my balance will be increased in few seconds into my account. So here you can check my real profit is present here 1 US already. Here you can check 0.1590 has been added here. Now you can check here your account balance has been increased by 11.15 years. I will show you the withdraw portion. You need to click on the withdraw button. You can watch here. The information will be added here about your withdraw. You need to enter your Tron address. Here you need to enter the amount, enter the password, and click on the submit button. I will show you more instructions on my mobile. Here you can check your all investments plans has been given in front of you. How can you make your money and how can you earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis by this network? So friends, here you can check. I'm going to show you the withdraw portion. You need to add your Tron address. TRC20 receiving address will be copied from my wallet. You can check here. I have copied my address. So here you can check the USDT TRC20 receiving address has been copied and it will be pasted here. Enter your wallet amount. Withdrawal amount will be entered here. How much amount you need to enter? 1.15. Enter the security password that has been selected by myself and click on the confirm button. So here you can check I have confirmed my withdraw. Here you can check your all beneficial information has been provided in front of you. You can make your money successfully. Here you can receive your wallet into your wallet in few seconds. Here you can check your all beneficial portion has been provided to you here. I will show you my all the details of earning. You can watch here your all quantitative information has been provided to you. All your smart investments and withdraw portions are present here. You can check here my profitable assets are given. 1.15 years has been successfully withdrawn and I will receive my into my wallet. You can check here your all rebates of earnings will be given to you here of this site in few seconds. So here we will go toward our wallet to check whether the amount has been received or not. You can check here. I'm going to refresh my wallet. So it has successfully deposited 1.15 US into my account. So it is a great site that is providing you instant cash into your account and you can earn huge amount of profit on that daily basis. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also you can join this site for earnings so that you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. By joining this network, you can check here your all investments and quantification portions are present here. You can check here your all quantitative information has been provided to you. You can check here your all details of earnings are present here about this network. You can check here the company profile is given in front of you. You can easily earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So AI smart investments portions are present here. You can check here your all activities will be provided to here. You can check here your all earning tips will be given here about this network, and you can make your money successfully by this site. So here was given to you your all quantitative friends, and I have already told you about them. Here you can check your invitation portion of your network, and you can check here all their customer service information has been given in front of you. You can easily contact them to get any information about this network. So here is given to you your all details of learning about this site, and you can easily transfer your tutorial is given to you here. I think you don't need any tutorial after watching this video, and you can check here all their earning tips has been provided to hear about this site. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also, you can join this site for earning so that you can easily earn huge amount of profit on that daily basis.